Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream using GMS and CMC powder. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, 1/4 teaspoon of GMS powder, 1/8 teaspoon of CMC powder, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk attachments are also chilled. This preparation is key for achieving a stable and delicious whipped cream. Next, in a separate small bowl, combine your GMS powder, CMC powder, and powdered sugar. Whisk these dry ingredients together very well. This step is crucial because it helps to evenly distribute the stabilizers throughout the sugar, preventing any clumps when you add them to the liquid cream. A smooth mixture ensures a consistent and stable final product. Now, pour your chilled heavy cream into a large, cold mixing bowl. Begin whipping the cream on medium speed. As the cream starts to thicken slightly, gradually sprinkle in the combined GMS, CMC, and sugar mixture. Increase the speed to high and continue whipping until stiff peaks form. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes, resulting in a beautifully stable whipped cream. Your homemade stabilized whipped cream is now ready to enjoy. It holds its shape wonderfully and can be stored in the refrigerator for several days without deflating. Use it to elevate your favorite desserts, add a luxurious touch to hot beverages, or simply enjoy it with fresh fruit. For more great ideas and deals, including how to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to check the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.